वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल एजुकेशन एनक्लेव। डियर व्यूअर्स एंड लर्नर्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का जो ये वीडियो है ये है वन लाइनर ऑन केमिस्ट्री। वी हैव ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड वीडियो वन लाइनर टाइप ऑन फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री, जो एवरीडे साइंस में आता है आपके सिलेबस के मुताबिक। हमने इस पर बनाया वन लाइनर ऑन केमिस्ट्री, एक कंटिन्यू है प्रीवियस वीडियो से ही वन लाइनर ऑन केमिस्ट्री। द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज हु डिजाइनड द फर्स्ट न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर। किसने डिजाइन किया फर्स्ट न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर? वो है, इसका नाम है एनरिको फर्मी। सो एनरिको फर्मी वाज द फर्स्ट हु डिजाइनड द न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर। Second one line is, on which principle is the working of an atomic bomb based? So atomic bomb is based on nuclear fission. Which isotope is used to detect blood clots in the body? Which isotope? Sodium isotope is used to detect blood clots in the body. Dash is a method for determining the age of an object containing organic material by using the properties of radiocarbon. So carbon dating is a method, or it is also known as carbon 14 is a method for determining the age of an object. So carbon dating is used in the to detect the age of fossils. Nuclear fission was discovered by two physicists whose name is Lise Meitner and Otto Frisch. Lise Meitner and Otto Frisch was the two physicists who discovered nuclear fission. So nuclear fission was discovered by two physicists. Name is Lise Meitner and Otto Frisch. Which particle is not emitted by radioactivity? Proton. Proton is a particle which is not emitted by radioactivity. Who discovered uranium? So uranium was discovered by German chemist Martin Klaproth. Martin Klaproth discovered uranium. One curie is equal to 37 billion becquerels. When was the Indian Department of Atomic Energy DAE established? So it was established on 3rd August 1954. Indian Department of Atomic Energy DAE. When was the Indian Department of Atomic Energy established? 3rd August 1954. Which element is found in CNG gas for pollution control in vehicles? Methane, ethane and propane. So CNG gas में क्या क्या है? मीथेन है, ईथेन है and propane है. Which alcohol is known as wood spirit? Methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol is known as wood spirit. Which gas is called marsh gas? Which gas is called marsh gas? Methane, CH4. CH4 methane is known as marsh gas. LPG is mainly a mixture of which gas? Propane and butane. Propane and butane is the mixture of LPG. Which greenhouse gas is emitted from paddy fields? Paddy fields. Which greenhouse gas is emitted from paddy fields is methane, CH4. Which chemical is used for dry bleaching? H2O2. Which chemical is used for dry bleaching? H2O2. What is the main component of sweetened soft drinks? Sweetened soft drinks is carbonated water. Which alcohol is called grain alcohol? So grain alcohol ethanol को कहते हैं grain alcohol. Which chemical is used for ripening of fruits? Ripening of fruits का जिसमें एक chemical इस्तेमाल होता है, इसका नाम है calcium carbide. Calcium carbide used for ripening of fruits. Which substance is produced by the fermentation of sugar? Ethyl alcohol. Fermentation of sugar में ethyl alcohol is used. Which compound is found in कोलियो oil? Eugenol. कोलियो oil में एक compound फाउंड होता है जिसका नाम है यूजिनॉल. Which compound is found in colloidal eugenol? What is rodenticide used for? Rodenticide is used for to control rats. Cotton is the natural polymer of cellulose. Cotton is the natural polymer of cellulose. What are the fuels used in rockets? That fuels are known as propellants. Petroleum is found in which type of rocks? So, petroleum is found in which type of rocks? It is found in sedimentary rocks. Which fuel is called the fuel of the future? Hydrogen is called the fuel of the future. By what other names is biogas known? Marsh gas and sewer gas. Natural gas that is recovered from coal beds is called coal bed methane. Coal bed methane is a natural gas that is recovered from coal beds. When petrol is mixed with alcohol, it is called power alcohol. Power alcohol is the mixture of petrol with alcohol, which was the first antibiotic drug invented by Alexander Fleming in 1928. Is penicillin is an antibiotic invented by Alexander Fleming in 1928. What is the common name of halite? Rock salt. Which devices are used as bat repellents? Ultrasonic devices. A plastic which can be molded into desired shapes by heating more than once is called thermoplastic. Who discovered synthetic rubber? Synthetic rubber was discovered by Fritz Hoffmann. Plants receive nitrogen in the form of nitrates. Which substance is also called carbolic acid phenol C6H5OH. Who invented Portland cement? So, inventor of the Portland cement is Joseph Aspdin and James Frost in 1824. Wax obtained from petroleum is known as paraffin wax. Who invented carbon nanotubes? Sumio Lijima in 1991. Which toxic substance is found in tobacco? Nicotine is found, a toxic substance found in tobacco. What is the full form of PET? PET. Polyethylene terephthalate. Full form of PET, PET, polyethylene terephthalate. Polyethylene terephthalate is the full form of PET, PET. Which year was celebrated by United Nations as International Year of Chemistry? So it is important, celebrate by United Nations as International Year of Chemistry is 2011, is celebrated as International Year of Chemistry by United Nations. Which acid is used for writing on glass? Hydrofluoric acid. Hydrofluoric acid is an acid used for writing on glass. Which acid is found in tea? Tannic acid. Tannic acid is found in tea. Which chemical is known as Chinese snow? Potassium nitrate. Which element is called universal element? Carbon is called universal element. The atomic mass unit is called the Dalton, Da, after English chemist. His name is John Dalton. Which branch of chemistry defines relationship between reactant and product? Stoichiometry is a branch of chemistry that defines relationship between reactant and product. Quartz is made up of which compound? Is sodium silicate. What is produced when we pass chlorine from silicate lime bleaching powder? What is cholesterol? Fatty alcohol present in animal fat, citrol. Rayon also called viscose. Rayon is also called viscose. सो आज का जो ये वीडियो है ये है वन लाइनर ऑन केमिस्ट्री, जिसमें हमने मेंशन किया आपकी सहूलियत के लिए हमने ये वन लाइनर लाया, जैसे फिजिक्स पर ऐसे केमिस्ट्री पर, एंड फ्यूचर में हम बायोलॉजी पर भी लाएंगे वन लाइनर टाइप क्वेश्चन टू मेमोराइज दीज very easily, to pen down them on your notebooks for future. Like our YouTube channel Education Enclave, share, subscribe. God bless you.